everybody, as you saw in the thumbnail, I am comparing these two beautiful bags that I do own, and I may be selling one of them. Maybe you can guess which one it is. But yes, these are both of the, well actually on the website this is registered as Dove and this one is Tortorelle, but I'm pretty sure those are two of the same exact colors. I mean, just by looking at them you can see maybe the LV bicolors is lighter on this one, but we'll do up close shots and tell me what you guys think and which one you like better, and I will tell you my thoughts and my opinions and what I think. We will start off with the Louis Vuitton Diane, which I did purchase first. I just have a spread of items that I can fit in each bag. Obviously the Diane is bigger. I will put the measurements in the description down below, but visually also you can see that it's much bigger. It's single compartment, so you could potentially fit a lot more. So we're gonna see what fits inside of this one first. And I have a Michael Kors pouch, which could be similar to a mini pochette. That fits fine. I have this thick Gucci card holder. Fits really well. Sunglasses. We'll put that on top. Dolce & Gabbana card holder. You can put that side by side. And I have a Hermes Calvi. And this one you can put it standing up because it's not very it's a tall bag, I should say. And then I have another Chanel card holder, just gonna slide up in there, and car keys or key fob fits perfectly in there. I'm trying to think what else. I have another Hermes Calvi you can fit. Probably not, because I don't want it to look too bulky either. I do have my sunglasses that does fit iPhone 15 Pro. I'll put that in the back pocket. But this is how it looks, fully stuffed. And in the, you know, in the pouch you can put your lipsticks, makeup, etc. I have this iPhone 15 Pro that can just slide in the back even with the case on. It does kind of, you can see it bulking out a little, but on the side profile you don't see it, just you see it on top. Can you guys see that? Yeah. And that's how it looks. The bag itself is not heavy, but once you start putting items in it, obviously yes, it will tend to be heavy. But that's what fits in there. Let's see what fits in the Pochette Metis. Okay, with the Pochette Metis, like I said, it is a smaller bag, so just be aware. The pouch, it does fit, but I don't know that you would want to put it in there. Just because, I mean, for the video's sake, we'll just see, right? You can put all your essentials in there, makeup, what have you. Chanel card holder, and this one, it does not go. You can put it standing up, but yeah, it's not gonna close the bag, so you're gonna have to lay it down. Let me check in the back. No, it's gonna have to lay down like that, and then I'll put my car keys and put my phone in the slip pocket like so, and then you can put another like lipstick or lip gloss. The sunglasses are not gonna fit with that mini pochette in there. Pochette. And it's like, it's hard to close too, but it will close, as you can see. But I don't want to do that, so I will take this off. We'll keep the car keys in, and this compartment is the biggest, so we could put in the Gucci. You can close it sticking up like that because it can still close. However, I do not want to close it like that, so we'll just lay it down. The Gucci card holder, clip. Who knows what else you decide to put in there. And then in this zipper pocket, you can put a bunch of cards as well. So this is how that looks. And then you can put lipsticks in here, other small items, a small travel size perfume. And that fits fine. And in the back pocket, you can also put your phone if you wanted to utilize this section for something else. It does fit, like I said, this is the iPhone 15 Pro, and it still zips in the back. Let me close it up and see if it's bulky. Nope. And I don't like big and bulky bags, especially for smaller bags with thinner chains, just because it tends to just like wobble around, and that's not very comfortable for me. But that's what fits in this bag. I would say for the bare essentials, this still fits a pretty good amount. Here they are, both with their shoulder straps to the side. As you can see, the Pochette Metis does lean forward. I did see that in other people's videos. However, both of them are kind of leaning. Okay. I love this one, shoulder. I tried it on when I was buying it and it was so cute. This one I did not purchase for the intent of wearing it shoulder. However, it is still a cute option. I just feel it's too I don't know, it's just too big maybe. I don't know. But the drop is, the Diane is shorter on the drop compared to the Pochette Metis. And then I put this on the higher part of the toggles right here, because you can put it on the bottom or the top. I put it on the top just so you guys can see how it looks shoulder if you intend to wear it that way. I personally don't want to wear it that way, but it is an option. And I am 5 feet tall and a size 16 for reference. We're gonna do them both on and then do the comparison side by side. So this one is the Pochette Metis East West. I know some people may think that this is a bit obnoxious with the LV here and LV there. So we'll just flip this strap around for the flowers, so it's not too in your face. Okay, so this is the longest setting on the Pochette Metis. Like I said, I'm 5 foot tall and it's right there on my hip. And this one is non-adjustable. But it's a really good length crossbody, I believe, in my opinion, no matter the height. And I am a size 16. I'm on the curvier side. And then let's shorten this Pochette Metis to the length that I prefer, which is this length here. Okay. I much prefer the shorter crossbody on smaller bags. And then chain strap. My final verdict is I love them both. Obviously I purchased this first, but I love this more. I don't know if it's just the style, the vibe. Initially I didn't purchase it because of the price. This is way more than this one is and the original Pochette Metis. However, the vibe and the style, I do love it. I did own the Pochette Metis, the original, 6 years ago when it originally launched. I bought both of them, which is the original monogram and the reverse monogram with the black leather trim. I have since parted ways with those, but this is just so cute. I just love it. I love the style, the aesthetic. I love top handles with the flap closure or the flap style, and I love thinner straps. However, I did purchase this for that guitar strap. But now that I own both, I am parting ways with my Diane. It is still, I would say, pretty much brand new condition. I've only owned it for 2 months, which is how long I've owned my car. And this was like, congratulations, I bought a car present for myself. So anyways, if you guys are interested, I will post my Instagram handle down below. Send me a DM. Comes full set from the store, brand new, 100% guaranteed authentic. If you want the chain, I'll throw in the chain too. And yes, I will send more photos. I am also selling, for the longest, my Lock Me Tender in this gray beige combo. Same thing with the chain strap and the crossbody adjustable. It just, I don't know, they're all very similar colorways, similar style, similar aesthetic. It never really stayed in my heart. So I would much rather give it to or sell it to somebody who will find more joy wearing this bag. But yeah, I will leave my Instagram. Please follow me and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.